Low back pain is going to affect most Americans. There's the acute, I just hurt myself and it'll last for a couple weeks, and there's the chronic, the pain that keeps coming back over and over. You do less activities, you set for shorter periods of time, and you start getting more and more back pain. This usually happens because we begin to have muscle imbalances. Most of us sit too much. As we sit, we're changing the spinal curves, we're putting a lot of stress in certain places, such as joints, discs, and the lower SI joints. Muscles begin to tighten. We lose flexibility. Pretty soon we lose core strength and the control and the ability to stabilize that spine. So this predisposes us to future problems down the road. Then we start to hurt an area. It heals, doesn't quite heal right, then we hurt it again. Next thing you know, a few months later, we hurt that same spot. So we get these chronic weak spots, these scar tissue or fascial adhesions. The soft tissues begin to become pain sources. So those small muscles, tendons, and ligaments become painful. We start putting stress on them, you flare that same spot back up. So chronic low back pain ends up being a combination of too much stress in the wrong places, a lack of muscle flexibility, a lack of strength, a lack of endurance, and a lack of joint stability. So all these contribute to overwhelming a certain area, causing pain over and over again. Treatment is going to involve reversing those processes. We want to work on our postures. We want to loosen certain muscle groups, help get that pelvis and lumbar spine to rock as it should be. We want to strengthen the weak muscles, and more importantly, develop that joint stability. Just because you have strength in an area doesn't mean you use it well, and most of us don't. So that's why we start working on unstable surfaces with the exercise balls. We just don't do bridging on the ground. We do it in an unstable environment to speed up that muscle development. Treatment is going to involve a lot of different things to get the joints moving, the muscles relaxed, the muscles stronger and stable, so that you're not overwhelming those same areas, causing back pain over and over again.